Okay, who's gonna be the cameraman?
He's the cameraman.
Is it on video or camera?
It's all set.
Okay. Here, do I need to narrate? Okay, we're gonna test the.
Let me sit in the chair.
Yeah, you're probably gonna want to sit, so I think you're gonna go down. All right, this is going on YouTube.
Okay. Where's the
All right, here we go.
Yard?
Anywhere.
Let's get a close up to the facial expression.
Right there?
Be careful with the on the car, the other side.
Can I do it through the shirt or no? I have to have the shirt.
If you fall forward, I'll grab your head.
Okay. Just push the button?
Yeah. No, Dad, you gotta turn it on.
Huh? This button right there, right there?
The other one is on. There you go.
That one right
That's
there,
the
right?
one.
That's the one.
Ah, that's nothing.
What?
Oh,
Man, that's totally ineffective.
Ah, man, this would.
Man, you're gonna get killed using that on somebody.
Ah, it just stings.
Oh man, that's
nothing
disappointing.
The battery might be
You thought
low.
this thing would take somebody out.
That might be the battery solution.
Paralyzed for at least.
I know, I was supposed to be out. I did this before. I bought one of these, and everyone's like, "Yeah, it's gonna knock you out."
How much did you buy it for?
Huh?
Is it your?
Yeah.
How much did you buy it for?
Yeah, how much did I put it?
Yeah.
The intimidation factor is pretty high with the just holding it. Doing
You gonna try this one?
I'll try that one. Here, keep taping me then.
This one will do the trick.
This one is already on out.
This one's the monster one, huh? How do you? Just the button right there?
Yeah.
Okay, fuck.
Getting the aversion.
¿Lo tienes prendido?
Okay, there we go.
Get the aversion going. Oh yeah, that's a little bit more.
Oh, that's charged.
All right.
I think this one's gonna get you. Yeah.
Where's my shirt? No?
That higher frequency is.
That could be the crazy cab driver now?
Yeah.
It's just burns. It's not. It wouldn't knock you out.
It's not paralyzing.
Oh, it fucking hurts, but I keep doing it.
It's like a hard.
Oh, that one was bad. All right, that one was a good one. That was a good one. How do I get one of these? How much? Oh, that one was a good one. See, left little marks.
Oh, jeez.
That's okay. That's okay. No big deal.
Here you go. I don't know how to
This
turn
one I
it off.
gotta change.
That's cool.
This one I gotta change the battery again. This one I gotta change the battery.
I've done that before.